Elon Musk is one of the most famous and successful people in the world. He is known for creating big companies like Tesla, electric cars, SpaceX, rockets and space travel, Neuralink, brain computer technology, and the boring company, tunnels and transportation. Many people wonder how he became so successful. In this article, we will explore the main secrets of Elon Musk's success in simple and easy English. 1. Big dreams and big goals. One of the biggest secrets of Elon Musk's success is his big dreams. He doesn't just think about small changes. He wants to change the world. For example, he wants to help save the planet by making electric cars, Tesla. He wants humans to live on other planets like Mars, SpaceX. He wants to connect the human brain to computers, Neuralink. He wants to make travel faster and cheaper by building tunnels, the boring company. These dreams may sound crazy to some people, but Elon believes in them and works hard to make them real. 2. Hard work and long hours. Elon Musk is known for working very hard. Sometimes, he works more than 80 to 100 hours a week. He often sleeps in the office or at the factory to be closer to his work. He once said, "Work like hell. I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100-hour weeks every week." This shows that he believes hard work is one of the keys to success. 3. Learning all the time. Elon Musk loves to learn. Even though he studied physics and economics in college, he has taught himself many things. For example, he learned how rockets work by reading books and talking to experts. He reads a lot and asks questions until he understands the subject deeply. He once said, "You can learn anything. You just have to want to." 4. Taking risks. Elon Musk is not afraid to take big risks. After making money from his first company, PayPal, he invested almost all of it into SpaceX, Tesla, and Solar City. At one point, he had no money left and had to borrow money to pay his rent. But he believed in his ideas and took the risk. Today, those companies are worth billions of dollars. 5. Solving real problems. Elon's companies focus on solving big problems. For example, climate change, Tesla and Solar City, traffic, the boring company, space travel, SpaceX, human health and future, Neuralink. He doesn't just want to make money. He wants to make the world better. This makes people trust him and support his companies. 6. Thinking differently. First principles thinking. Elon Musk uses a method called first principles thinking. This means he breaks a problem into smaller parts and looks at the basic facts. Then, he builds new ideas from those facts. He doesn't just copy what others are doing. He tries to create new solutions. This helps him come up with new ideas that others don't think about. 7. Strong leadership. Elon Musk is a strong and bold leader. He pushes his teams to do their best. He expects high performance from everyone, including himself. Sometimes, he is tough. But his goal is always to achieve something great. His passion and energy inspire his workers to believe in the mission. 8. Not giving up. Elon Musk has faced many failures. SpaceX rockets exploded. Tesla had many problems in the beginning. People didn't believe in his ideas. But he didn't give up. He kept trying again and again until he succeeded. His story shows that failure is not the end. It is part of the journey to success. 9. Good timing and smart decisions. Elon Musk knows how to make smart business moves. He started PayPal at a time when online payments were just beginning. He launched Tesla when people were starting to care more about the environment. He chooses the right time to act, which helps his companies grow fast. 10. Surrounding himself with great people. Elon Musk knows he cannot do everything alone. He hires smart and talented people to work with him. He builds strong teams and trusts them to help achieve big goals. He also listens to their ideas and suggestions, which makes the work better. Final thoughts. Elon Musk's success is not just luck. It is the result of big dreams, hard work, smart thinking, and never giving up. He believes in his mission and is not afraid to take risks. He keeps learning and improving all the time. His story is a great example for anyone who wants to do something big in life. If you want to be successful like Elon Musk, remember these simple lessons. Dream big, work hard, keep learning, take risks, solve real problems, think for yourself, be a strong leader, don't give up, make smart choices, build a great team. Elon Musk shows that with the right mindset and effort, anything is possible.